I'm Bonita Quillen. My husband and I teach in Jinan. And one of the things that I had determined I would do with my students is to teach them a strong sense of identity. Because in this group of students that we're teaching, they're a collective group and they have no sense of identity. And so I have a whole lesson, and I brought it on a jump drive. If any of you want it, you can get it from me. But it takes the song I Am Moana from the movie Moana, and I teach the students that she was only able to accomplish her dream and her goal and her mission in life and after she found out who she was. And so I have them write an I am poem. And I don't know if you're not familiar with the poem, it states who they are, the son and the daughter of. And then it states two character traits that they are proud of. And then I wonder, I need, I see, hate, want, cry, say, understand, fear, try, and hope. And it's very powerful. I have the students get in groups and brainstorm things for each of those topics. And then they shared them, writing them on the board. Then I gave the students the template, and they went home and they wrote their poem. And I had one student who said, and then they brought them back and they posted them on the wall and they shared them with their classmates. And I'm sorry I get really emotional about it because it was powerful. I had one student write, when my classmates read my poem, I was very excited for the reason that it was the first time for me to share what I am with others. What's more, the poem consists of what I want and what I am worried about, so it is a very essential part for me. In the past, I did all things that I should do without thinking about my feelings. In writing and reading this poem, I have had the chance to ask myself for my opinion about my life. Therefore, I can look clearly towards my future. And I had one student, anyway, I have some samples of these poems, and if you would like to read them, they're powerful. Thank you.